Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to dub videos into other languages very easy. So let's for example dub an English YouTube short into another language. So first let me tap on this share link and let me copy this link. Alright, and then you can go back to elevenlabs.io/app/dubbing. By the way, you can tap, you see these options and you just need to tap on dubbing right here. And as you can see, you can use dubbing for social media content, media and entertainment, marketing and education and e-learning. So first of all, you just need to select a name for your dubbing project name, and of course this is optional. In this case it's YouTube short, and this was a video about Michael Saylor, who is talking in English. So the source language is English, of course, and the target languages, this can be multiple, but in this case I only selected one. You can select a lot of options, but for me, I chose to select the Dutch. So one thing you can do is upload a video, so just from your device. So this can be your own video, which is very, very cool. Or you can select from any social media platform or another URL. In this case, we select YouTube. We just paste a link right here, and then we tap on create. And as you can see, when you tap on create, you see the characters right here. As you can see it. They get removed of my account, of course, but this dub will cost approximately 90 X amount of characters. It of course depends on the length of your video, etc. But again, now it's generated. So the dub ID, you see the dub ID right here. You see the charged characters, the language in which it's dubbed, the status, so it's done right now, and the time that it's created. So you can remove it, you can view it, or you can download it. Let's view it right now.
Ze zijn in de Bitcoin goudkoorts. Het begon in januari van.
So as you can see, this video sounded like this.
And the last 1% comes out over the next 100 years. So for all practical purposes.
And this is what sounds in Dutch. Right, let me.
2034 zal 99% van alle bitcoin gemijnd zijn. En het laatste 1% komt eruit over de volgende 100 jaar.
And you probably are not Dutch, but this sounds very, very good, and you can just download it for free right here. And you can do this with your own content and really publish it in other languages. And this way you reach a wider audience and even make more money. So as you can see, the source language is English to Dutch. You can see the source URL, and basically it is very good. You can just tap on this one right here to download it, and you can listen.
Dus voor alle praktische doeleinden van de goudkoorts kon geen enkele bank bitcoin bewaren. Geen institutionele belegger kon bitcoin kopen. Geen Wall Street handelsfirma toen die spot ETF's goedgekeurd werden. Dat creëerde een vuur.
Yeah, this sounds so great, and the power of this is really great. So here you can see all of your history. As you can see, I only created one, but you can create a lot. And if you're interested in a paid plan to even dub more videos, you can do that very easy by just going to elevenlabs.io/pricing. Alright, and here you can see all of the plans that ElevenLabs offers. So let me scroll a bit down. So as you can see, I'm right now using the free version, which is $0, of course. But the starter option is only $1 per month for the first month. So I recommend you using this one. It's very great. The link is in the description down below. Or you can use this one, which is very cheap as well. And you can have more options, and you can even make money with that if you're interested in that. Check out the video about the ElevenLabs payouts, which you can make a lot of money just by using this plan and just by uploading your own voice to the ElevenLabs voice library and earn a passive income. So these, I think, a lot of us don't need this because this is very, very great. So I hope this video is kind of helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you guys very, very soon. Thanks for watching.